guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. In today's video, I'm finally going to be giving you guys a tour of my current desk setup. I have been putting this video off for so long because I've never truly been happy with the way everything looks, but now I finally feel like I like it and I want to give you guys a tour. I really hope that you guys enjoy the video. If you do enjoy it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel and if you could maybe click that subscribe button, that would be amazing. Also, if you guys can follow me on TikTok and Instagram, I would really appreciate it. My username is morethingsnim. I know this intro is getting super long, but the very last thing I want to mention is that I will have everything linked in the description box. So like my desk, chair, and whatever I can, I will link it down below. But if I miss out on anything or if you have any specific questions, you can ask me in a comment and I will get back to you. And now, without any further ado, let's get into the tour. Alrighty, here is an overview of my desk setup. I'm very happy with it. I think it looks really cute and it also fits my needs very well. So I'm going to start off by talking about my desk. This is a standing desk from Branch Furniture in the color wood grain. I love this desk so much. The quality of it is phenomenal. I can be a clumsy person at times, so I've had a few paint disasters on this, and because it is laminated, it was very easy to clean up without damaging the top itself. So the quality is really nice. The sit stand feature works very smoothly, not to mention the desk itself is very aesthetically pleasing. My chair is also from Branch Furniture. It's the Ergonomic chair in the color gray. This chair is super comfortable. The armrests are really nice. It also has lumbar support, which improves posture. So like I can sit on this chair for hours without dreading it. And this is also like one of the more inexpensive chairs out there. Like if you want a nice chair, it can get very expensive. So this one is really good for the price and quality. I have the iPad mini, which has been great to plan out my day and stay organized. I do also like to draw from time to time. And then this is the Magic Keyboard from Apple and the Microsoft Surface mouse. So the monitor that I have is from LG. It's 27 inches. I got this one because I like the way it looks. I do want to buy a new monitor soon, so I might do an unboxing or something. But yeah, for now, this is the one I have and I really like it. The monitor is sitting on a desk shelf from Grovemade in the color maple. I believe that they recently changed the design of this, so I'll link it down below. This has really elevated and organized the space. So as you can see, I have my MacBook Pro here. I have like filming stuff, so my hard drive, memory cards, notebooks, and things that I need when I'm filming. I didn't know that I needed this desk shelf until I got it and I became obsessed, and I cannot imagine my setup without it. On the left side of my desk, I have my Nintendo Switch, DeVoom, and some plants. In the middle, we have some random knickknacks and my AirPods. And then on the right side, I have more plants, my Mew Funko Pop, and this really pretty lamp that I got from Moonside, which by the way, this video is sponsored by Moonside. So they sent me their Moonside Lamp 1, and this is a smart lamp. You can connect the lamp with your phone using their app. You can also integrate it with your smart homes such as Google Home, Amazon Alexa, and more. So I went ahead and I downloaded their app, and you can see here that I can very easily control the light settings on my phone. I can adjust the brightness of the light, I can change it into a specific color. It also has these built-in mood settings, so say if I'm going to bed, I can pick the bedtime one. In the app, you'll also find a bunch of different lighting themes to choose from. I'm going to show you guys some of the ones that I personally really like. All of the themes are very fun and pretty to look at. My personal favorite has to be Rising Rainbow. I think that one is like my favorite. I love this lamp because of the design. It's so clean and sleek and it looks really cute on my desk. Like it fits my aesthetic very well. If you don't want to use this on your desk, you can also use it as a bedside lamp. Another great feature is that it comes with built-in sensors to sync with music beats. So here you can see that I'm tapping onto my desk and the light is illuminating. So that's another really great feature. Lastly, you can make your own custom themes by coloring each pixel. I 10 on 10 recommend this lamp, so if you would like to check it out for yourself, I will have the link for Moonside in the description box. On the right and left side of my desk, I have these drawer units from IKEA. I believe they're called the Alex. And in these, I store my craft and art supplies and pretty much like anything that I would need when I'm filming. So I'm going to quickly show you guys what I have. So here at the top, I have my Posca pens, different markers, paints. We have like 2 different kinds of glazes and some fake flowers. In the first drawer, I keep all of my miniatures. I should probably do like a full-blown miniature collection kind of video or something like that. I don't know. If you guys want to see it, let me know in a comment. But I'm just going to quickly go over everything. I love miniature things, like just seeing anything miniature makes my heart so happy. So over the years, I've collected quite a few things, as you can see. In the second drawer, we have more miniatures. That was totally not a surprise. In here, I keep miniatures that I actually use when I am baking a cake or I'm cooking anything in miniature size. I've sort of organized this in a way that kind of works for me. In this drawer, I have my miniature props. Now, these are things that I don't use for actual cooking or baking. These are like little extra things that I need for the setup. So you'll see that I have like a bunch of different things. I have like a miniature vacuum cleaner that does actually work, and it's pretty cool. And then, I don't know if you guys remember, but I made this little iMac using polymer clay. It looks so cute. In this drawer, I keep miniature like furniture. So we have different chairs, desks, shelves. So things, again, that I would need as a prop. And then we also have some like small miniature jars. And yeah, this drawer is kind of like random. In here, I store my slime supplies. So we have different glitter glues at the back, popsicle sticks, food coloring, and different like scents. In here, I have a bunch of school supplies. We have pens, markers, crayons, sharpeners. I don't know how to put this in a way that looks pretty. I've tried organizing it, but honestly, I gave up. This is stuff that I don't actually use, but I'm gonna be honest with you, like in a blue moon, like I might need this, so that's why I just keep it here. We have different colors of foam beads. This drawer actually used to be very organized by color. I don't know if you guys remember my last desk setup video, but I kind of gave up on that, and yeah, now they're just all there. This is my random drawer where I keep things that I don't know where else to put, so there's really not much to say. In the last drawer, I keep my filming gear. I know this looks terrible. I don't know how to organize it. It's been years. If you guys have any suggestions, please let me know in a comment. I really want to like make this look very cool and pretty, but it hasn't happened yet. This is the second drawer unit that I have. On top of it, I have my 1 million subscriber plaque. Then I also have this pen holder that has like a bunch of different tools in it. It has scissors, a ruler, pen, pencils, all the essentials. And then we have some random knickknacks. In the first drawer, I keep all of my cute stationery. So we have a bunch of different stickers. I have like notepads at the back, washi tape, and then I have my colored pencils at the back. In the second drawer, I keep all of my tools that I need for polymer clay. So we have like a bunch of random clay tools, dotting tools, paintbrushes, hole punchers, rolling pins, clay molds, cookie cutters, super glue. Yeah, like all of the essentials are in here. In the third drawer, I keep all of my clays. So on the left side, you will see all of my polymer clays. And then on the right side, I keep air dry clay. And then we also have my chalk pastels. This I like to call my embellishment drawer. So in here, I keep all of my glitters, sprinkles, like pearl beads. We also have like metallic powders, different kinds of pigments. All of that good stuff is in here. In this drawer on the left side, I have all of my different colors of yarn, and then on the right side, I have all of my fabric paints. In this drawer, I keep supplies for a variety of things like lip balm, candle making, resin, felt needle, cross-stitch supplies, and much more. So you guys have seen my desk setup during the day. Now I want to show you guys what it looks like at nighttime. It looks so cute and so cozy. I am obsessed with my current setup. I've never been this happy with it. You guys can let me know in a comment what you think. Again, I will have everything linked below for you guys, so be sure to check it out. And that is it for this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you all are having a fantastic day. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next one.